Oh man, hold on. I didn't know that this was gonna get here already. This is crazy. This is sent from Ralph Lauren. Polo Ralph Lauren. Oh. I didn't know it was gonna come already. Oh man. Ooh. I thought it was just cologne, but it looks like they sent a backpack too. Look at that. That's crazy. You take the glasses off. It's a nice bag too. Ooh. Polo. This is nice as hell. Damn. Shout out to Polo. Look at this nice bag. Shout out to Polo. Let's start creating for him. This is crazy. I didn't know that they were gonna send a bag too. And they sent these so quick. They just told me that we were gonna do something like a day ago and they're here today. So, I can't even get the camera right. Shout out to Ralph Lauren. This is crazy.